What's up, everyone? Here's your boy Waliza here, and I want to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Let's go to it. First of all, how you create a thumbnail, banner, profile, because this is the first thing you have to put on your channel. Okay, so let's create the channel now. For example, you go here. This is in French. You just add an account. You put, for example, I have a lot of accounts. You put this one here. Click up, and this one, and then not now. And here we go. You have to connect. Alright. Now you have a channel. Here. That's my new channel. Okay, so now that you have a new channel, first thing first, you go to YouTube Studio. I have to put I like this one because it's not good for the things. So first you go here. I have to put this in English so you can understand. English. Yep. Alright. So first thing first, you go to YouTube Studio. YouTube as which name do you want? By clicking create channel, you agree on term. You want YouTube as your name or YouTube as a person or as a brand? So you have to choose. I forgot to choose it first. Create a channel. Get started. So we should use a custom name or your name. Let's say a custom name. And then I don't know. You put let's do a gaming channel. I understand. Create. Now that you have a gaming channel, let's see. First of all, you go and upload a photo of the gaming. Let's go and search. I don't have any gaming channel here. Let's just put this here at a gaming channel. Tell viewer about your channel. You tell them a little bit. This is really important because YouTube is getting their like the description, the keywords and so that you put in are really they matter really, because that's how you rank your channel for specific keywords in the gaming is. So hey guys, guys, welcome to my gaming channel where I review and play all the new exclusive games from all consoles. And you could put PlayStation, Xbox, blah 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 blah. Description you have to put it. You could put a website, or you can just link your social thing if you have an Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. Alright, and that's how it is. And then you click on save and continue. Hoopa hoopa hoopa. That's how easy it is. Only if you don't want. Okay, gaming channel. Customize. Okay, let's go and customize. Customize the channel. Alright, we have to put a channel art. So you have two options. Either you go to, where is it? Up. You go to this one, Crello, or you go to this one, Canva. Those are your best options, because I don't use, I have Photoshop, but I don't use it. Really rarely if I have something professional to do, but I don't really use it because You don't need it. You really don't need it. This is enough. This, I have it, I bought it, and so Crello and Canva, I'm using just the free version of it, and they're both enough really. So I'm gonna go with you with Canva because that's what most of the people will use. Alright, YouTube template. Let's write here for YouTube. Oh yeah, sorry. YouTube. Let's see what they wrote. Okay, let's bring some gaming. Maybe gaming. Maybe gaming will give us something. Alright. Let's go for this one. Yeah. You know, it's not the best, but just for fun. Let's do this like this. And let's bring some gaming. And Sonic Boom. Oops. Oh fuck, what did I do? Well, let's go. Let's delete this one, and let's make only this one. And you could write gaming channel. That's how easy it is. Best YouTube channel, best YouTube, best gaming on YouTube. And you do download, and then you have it, and then you do this, and then you do this. Oh, sorry, that's not what I meant to do. Do this, then you do this, then it uploads, then you wait, and then the photo is too small, must be at least it is. Oh, okay, didn't do but. Oh, sorry for that. Let's make only this one. Best gaming channel. Let's make up easy pop. Sorry for the inconvenience. The other one was too small, I forgot. So maybe this like this. And here we are. We have an illustration to work for. Alright. That's the first thing you have to do. You have yourself, returning subscriber, how he's gonna see it. This is how they're gonna see your channel. Yes, and yeah. Let's go back to the real stuff now. About. Where is the about? This section as well, you should not forget it. You should put some links. Overlay first, 5 custom links into those links you could send people somewhere else as well if you want. And voila. Let me search for the text. So as we said, guys, you just put you go here, you go to, first of all, let's go back. You go to the YouTube studio, and then you go to settings, and in settings you put your currency. Let me put euro. Then the channel, basic info. Here you have to put some keywords and put the comma, and from where you are, if you're from France, Germany, whatever. Advanced setting, do you want to set your as made for kids? I want to review the setting for every, no. And then made for inner upload, that's made for kids. Branding, you could put the brand in here, an image, add in a video watermark to your content, is a great way to improve brand awareness. Future ability, upload videos, create playlist, collaborate for a new playlist, and put your videos on a playlist. That's something I wrote here as well. Arrange your channel for ease of navigation. Playlist topics, like if you do, for example, YouTube or something like YouTube, a course like I'm doing right now, you put it on a playlist of YouTube. If you do a Facebook course, you put it on Facebook, and that's how it is. So people, when they come, they just make it easier for them to get and to navigate your course or channel. Upload default, there's a title and description. That as well, if you want to make it easier for you. Standard, blah 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 blah. Permissions, community, hidden users. Here, if someone is saying bad things, you can moderate them, or block words if you don't want someone to insult. Here you have agreements. Alright, so that's about it in this video. It was long as well, trying to keep it short for you guys so you can keep up. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.